Hello everyone, we have some beautiful hairstyles that you can make at home. First, make 3 ponytails, 2 from below and 1 from above. Then from the above one, make a ponytail and braid the hairs and then tie it together and it's done. Moving on, first make some ponytails, then braid the hairs out of it and then tie them together, then roll the ponytail and it's done. Moving on, make 2 ponytails from the front, then braid the hairs. Do the same on each side, then taking each and every hair, tie it from below and it's done. Moving on, make 3 ponytails, attach a fancy rubber band to it, then with the help of the strands, braid the hairs, tie them together, roll them up and it's done. Moving on, make 3 ponytails, then make braids and tie them together as shown, then roll it up and it's done. Moving on, make a ponytail from front, then braid the hairs, then make another ponytail, braid them eventually and then it's done. Small cute rubber bands so that it will make them look more pretty. In this, make some braids, roll it and it's done. Moving on, first make a ponytail, then out of it make 2 ponytails, then tie them together, braid the hairs, then roll the hairs from below and it's done. Moving on, make 2 ponytails by the sides, then braid the hairs as shown, then tie them all together, then roll the hair from below and it's done. Moving on, first make a ponytail from the side, braid the hairs, then tie them all together and it's done. Moving on, first make 2 ponytails from the front and then 3 from below, tie them all together, place a beautiful strand with the help of it, braid the hairs and then tie it from below after rolling it and it's done. Moving on, make a ponytail from the front, then braids from below, tie them all together, then roll them into a beautiful bun. Make sure it looks neat and it's done. They are beautiful as well as less time taking. Moving on, make 3 ponytails, then braid them up and tie them all together and it's done. Moving on, first make a ponytail from the front, then make ponytails from the side, tie them all together, then keep doing it on each side, then roll the hairs around it, then tighten up the hairs and it's done. Moving on, first make ponytails from the side, then one from the middle, roll it once, braid it and it's done. Moving on, make a ponytail, wrap 4 rubber bands around it, make a ponytail from the middle, braid it and then roll it once, then make it into a circle and it's done. Moving on, make 2 ponytails from below and 1 from the front, braid it and then tie it together as shown in the video and attach it and it's done. Moving on, make 5 braids from the front, then start tying them all together, then roll the hairs as shown, tie them up and it's done. Thank you for watching.